Next week, the adventures of Ozzie and Harriet will be brought to you by the Quaker Oats Company, makers of fine foods for the whole family. Now a word about one of the many fine Quaker products.
How fast do your pancakes disappear? Around our house, it's plenty fast. And not just because I've got 3 man-sized pancake eaters. It's because I have 2 new ideas. New Aunt Jemima Deluxe Buttermilk Mix and this handy shaker. Here's a combination that'll turn out the best pancakes you've ever served. New Aunt Jemima Deluxe Buttermilk Mix has the buttermilk right in it and the directions for shaker pancakes right on the box. You'll pour the smoothest batter ever and bake the roundest, fluffiest pancakes you've ever made.
Well, your buttermilk pancakes are great.
Oh, thank you, dear.
Oh, you got some more there, I see.
Here.
Oh, thank you. Well, do you have some for David and Rick, too?
For David and Rick? Oh, you're kidding.
Won't you join us?
Well, yes, thank you. Who'd you think these were for?
Hey, come back here with my pancakes.
Won't you join us? They're great. Aunt Jemima Buttermilk Pancakes. Perfect pancakes in 10 shakes.